Hi, children. Good morning. How are you all? Yes, I'm doing fine. Thank you so much. So today we are going to see a new lesson called Delhi. Yes, you have heard this word somewhere, right? Delhi. You're right. Delhi is the capital of India. So we are going to see about Delhi. So here is a brief introduction about our state Delhi. So Delhi is the capital state of India. So where is Delhi? It is there in the northern part of India, which lies up northern part of India. And Yamuna is the important river which flows through Delhi. And it is the national capital territory of India. It is the capital of Delhi. So before we see about the places in Delhi, here are the interesting facts, or we are here to know few history about Delhi. So Delhi was the capital of Pandavas. You know who's Pandavas, right? We have heard in Mahabharatam. Yes, so there is a place in Delhi called Indraprastha, the capital of Pandavas, which is there in Delhi. And you know who's Shah Jahan? Yes, who built Taj Mahal. So he is Shah Jahan, who has built a place in Delhi. So after these Pandavas and Shah Jahan, as we all know, we were under the rule of British many years ago. So what British did? They have developed the modern city of Delhi. So what did British do is, in 1911 they declared Delhi as the capital of India. Before they declared the Delhi as the capital of India, Kolkata was the capital of India. So what British did? They declared Delhi as the capital of India. Now we are going to know how the climatic conditions of Delhi will be. Usually, Delhi is a place which is hot. In summer, a hot winds will blow, and the wind name is Loo, L-O-O, Loo. It is the hot wind which blows during the summer in Delhi. May and June will be the hottest month of the year. Out of 12 months, May and June will be the very hottest month in Delhi. Rainy season, that means monsoon in Delhi, is very short. During monsoon, that is during winter, it will be very cold and foggy. You know what is foggy? Foggy means it's a mist where you cannot see any vehicle till such distance. That is called as foggy. like like a vapor. You have seen vapor, right? Like a vapor, the mist will be completely surrounded, so you cannot see who is there near you. You cannot see what is which vehicle is coming from the far distance. That is called as foggy. So during winter, the climatic condition of Delhi will be very cold and foggy. Now we are going to see about the important places in Delhi. The main important place in Delhi is our Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is the official residence of our Prime Minister and President. Next is the Parliament House, where our people elected member of the Parliament and MLA will sit for a discussion, and they take few decisions after their meetings. We have Prime Minister office and few other government office in Delhi. Now we are going to see few interesting places in Delhi. The first one is India Gate. So it is built to honor the soldiers of British Indian Army who fought in the war. In the First World War, they fought, and it is being built to honor these soldiers. A jodi means a kind of light which will be lit all the time in the memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for a country. So the jodi, which is being light for the all the day, is called as Amar Jawan Jodi. Second one is Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is the tallest brick minarets. Minarets means it's like a mosque in the world. It was built by Qutb al-Din Aibak, the first ruler of Delhi Sultanate. We have Qutb complex, which is being visited by our tourists near the Qutb Minar. The third one is Red Fort. So Shah Jahan has built the Red Fort with the red sandstone. So this is the place where our president will hoist the flag during the Republic Day. We could see parade during the Republic Day, and a President of India will be hoisting the flag from the Red Fort. And fourth one is the Iron Pillar. It has been built many years ago by a king called Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Even though it's been built in iron and exposed to the all kinds of nature, right from hot sun to the foggy cold rain, all the nature calls, still it remains rust free. Now we are going to see about the language and the dress, traditional wear in Delhi. People in Delhi will speak Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi and English. They wear traditional attire like kurta and pajama for men, and women will wear sari and churidas. Salwar kameez are also called as salwar kameez. These are the traditional wear in Delhi where people will like to wear. Next, we are going to see about the festivals of Delhi, the important celebrations in Delhi. Unlike the other states, they also celebrate national festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Their religious festivals are Diwali, Holi, Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti means the birthday of the Guru, and Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr is nothing but our Eid festival. So these are the religious festivals which has been celebrated in Delhi. So till now we have seen about the climate, the history, the important places and the dress, language and festivals of Delhi. So for this lesson I am going to give you the hard words and question answers along with this video. So kindly copy the hard words and question answers in your classwork. These are the basic things which we need to know about Delhi. So Delhi is the capital of India. Thank you children. In our online classes, we'll complete the book bag exercise, or by next week I'll assign you these exercise as homework. Thank you children. Take care.